Hey everyone, and welcome to the GroupMap Lean Model Canvas tutorial. I'll be assisting you on how to create a lean model canvas individually or in a group setting. A lean model canvas is a great way to expand upon fresh new business ideas, validate current business models, and essentially just bring those crazy ideas of yours to life. So let's go ahead. Once you've logged into GroupMap, you'll notice on the top toolbar here the My Maps tab. Go ahead and select that. Here we can create a brand new map by selecting the Create Map tab. Now that we've reached this page, there are a number of categories and types to choose from when selecting our new template. But let's make things quick and easy and simply select up the top here the Search Templates bar. By typing in Lean, you'll find that the second search result is the Lean Model Canvas. Let's click on that. Here you're given a number of customization options for your template. You can change the name, the objectives, design and processes. But today, for this tutorial, let's stick with the presets, scroll to the top, and simply click Create. Awesome. So once you hit OK, your lean model canvas has been generated for you. Nice and easy. Now let's say you're in a group setting and you want to add some participants to your lean model canvas. In the top right corner here, you'll notice a green invite button. Select that, and here we can enter in the email addresses of the participants we wish to add, or you can send them a map ID link, which is randomly generated on each template that you create, or you can send them a regular link. So the first basic step to any lean model canvas is identifying your problem. What do you wish to address in the market? So for the purposes of this tutorial, let's say that we're a multinational fast food chain and we sell cheap burgers. Unfortunately, we've noticed a shift towards gourmet burgers in the market. Let's say this is the problem that we've identified. Click on the plus sign here under Problem and type it in. By hitting Enter, that first problem is generated. The next logical step is to look at your customer segments, also known as the target market in which you aim on solving with your problem. So, over on the right here, customer segments, let's say that our market research has identified that 24 to 28-year-old males are the main consumers we wish to target in the gourmet burger market. Again, by clicking on this section, we can type it in, hit Enter, and that's generated. Let's say we've identified a second target market, 18 to 22-year-old females. Awesome, now we have two target market customer segments. Let's move on to the unique value proposition in the middle here. So this is essentially your competitive advantage. It's what sets you apart from your competition when you plan on addressing your problem. So let's say we have the accessibility to make customizable burgers. That should set us apart from the competition. Hit Enter, and there we have it. The solution meets your unique value propositions with the problem that you first identified. So, let's say we want to create customizable burgers to the masses. How are we going to do it? Maybe self-service machines. As for unfair advantage on the right, this could be seen as Well, for a multinational organization such as us, with the size and scale, perhaps economies of scale, also the accessibility of our stores. Great. Now let's move on to the channels. How do we plan on targeting our customer segments? Well, we could use a very broad approach with television, or perhaps a more specific, targeted approach to our advertising, such as looking at very popular internet websites that our burger lovers are using. The key metrics are basically the measurements of success. Sales and variable cost percentage are two common examples. Cost structure, on the other hand, are basically elements of cost that your business will incur in rolling out its brand new plan. So, employees, training and development, as well as brand new ingredients are all going to come into play here. Hopefully, your brand new business plan will earn you some revenue. Up the top here, you'll notice a rating tab. By selecting that, each participant can rate each of the assumptions made with the validation required. This will identify areas of the canvas that require most focus or most validation. So, for example, let's say that we think the customer shift towards gourmet burgers is quite proven and already validated. We can move the shifter to the left and put less focus on this area. On the other hand, perhaps we're not quite sure about the customer segments we want to target yet. We can increase the focus in these areas. By moving on to the action phase, we can add actions for our employees to take by simply clicking on the flag in the areas of assumptions we're not quite sure about. By clicking on the plus sign here, we can choose what we want to happen, who we want to take out this action, and by what time we want them to complete. Let's say 2 weeks' time. By hitting create, that action has been recorded. And we can see that with a little 1 sign next to our flag. This whole process really allows businesses to step back and review their plans. Once completed, and everyone has discussed and agreed upon the canvas, we can print it out or export it. So, by heading to the top left corner of the canvas, clicking on the drop-down menu, you'll notice a Reports option, 4th down on the list. If we select that, you'll notice that you can export your file as a JPEG or PDF. You can also download these files. Up the top here, in My Report, you can also download the file as a CSV or Excel. Thanks for watching the tutorial on the Lean Model Canvas. Be sure to check out some of GroupMap's other fine templates to help drive your business's very next plan. Cheers!